How's it going, guys? I'm gonna show you Smart Keyboard here. I've seen and heard a lot about other keyboards like Go Keyboard and all that type stuff, but I really think this is the best keyboard. First, you're gonna go to the market and you're gonna go to Smart Keyboard. I already have it opened up because I just downloaded it, and as you see, that's the keyboard that I chose. And then you're going to click Smart Keyboard. Well, you're going to type it in first, and then you're going to click the first one where it says Smart Keyboard Trial. But the trial I don't really think is that much different from the Pro, which you're paying $3 for. So, and it's going to come up, it's going to download, and then it's going to come up like this right here. Hold on, let me find it. It's going to come up like that, and then you're going to click down there. I can't really see it. Hold on. Whatever, it'll say settings right there though, and you're gonna click on the settings, and then you have all these settings here, and usually you would click English, and then you're gonna have to click, you have to check Smart Keyboard Trial, and then you open it up like this, and then you would use any of these settings that you want. There's general, text prediction, gestures, voice input, sound and vibrate, backup, advanced, blah blah blah. Usually you would click on general settings, and then it has all these settings. Yeah, a lot. It seems like a lot, but you just skim through it. So here you're going to select the skin, and they have iPhone, which looks like that. That kind of looks like the iPhone. They have Android, which looks like the Android keyboard before Gingerbread 2.3 came out. And then they have the Gingerbread one, and they have Samsung Galaxy. They have HTC, which I like the most, and that's what I chose. They have gray, white, and they have this cool black one. And I like the HTC, so I'm going to use that one, because I wish I had an HTC phone. And then you have transparency, arrow keyboard, all that crap. And I know people like the sound of texting and typing or whatever, but I do sometimes, and I don't. I like it when it has a good sound. So here's a pretty good sound that I like. It's Galaxy. Here they have Windows, iPhone, Android, and Galaxy. I really like Galaxy because it doesn't sound. It sounds, but it's not annoying. Here, I'm gonna go to my messages. And I like it. I really like it. And it's pretty good. The feedback is good. And look how big the space bar is, because sometimes when I'm typing I would skip over and press this and it would go down, or I'd press period or comma or whatever. So yeah, I really like this keyboard. This is probably the best one that I've found on the market so far. And this is the Samsung Admire, if you didn't know, from Metro PCS. And so it's just a really good keyboard, and I like it the most. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Thanks.